Welcome to another one of our Bluebeam Revu how-to tutorials, brought to you by Graphics Limited, where we show you how to maximize the potential of your investment in Bluebeam Revu. Brighter Graphics are the oldest established Bluebeam partner and your premium Bluebeam solutions provider. Let's get started. In this video, we are going to show you how to use sketch tools in Bluebeam Revu. Sketch tools are markups where length, radius and rotation measurements can be input directly for exact control over shapes based on a set scale, allowing you to add planning objects or new content to drawings. While measurement tools measure an existing object, sketch tools add a new, scaled object that may be needed for reference or site planning. First, make sure the drawing scale is calibrated for the most accurate measurements. If you do not know how to calibrate your drawing, please refer to our video on how to calibrate your drawing in Bluebeam Revu. In the menu bar, go to Tools. Then, Sketch to Scale, and you can see the sketch tools available to you. Polygon creates a shape with any number of scaled sides. Rectangle allows you to enter the width, height, and rotation of a rectangle. Ellipse will enter the exact radius of a circle. Polyline allows you to add line segments by entering the length and rotation of lines. We're going to add a small closet to a corner of this office with the Rectangle Sketch tool. Select that tool and a crosshair will appear on your document. Click where you want it placed and a box with width, height and rotation will appear. Enter 2 feet for width. Press Tab to enter the next measurement. Enter 3 feet for height. Leave the rotation at 0. Press Enter to draw the rectangle. The rectangle sketch appears. When you double-click the markup, you can see the square footage. You can adjust and resize the sketch after you've placed it. To rotate the markup, drag the blue handle 90 degrees. To resize the rectangle, drag the blue control points. To adjust a segment, drag the yellow control point in or out. Notice the measurement automatically recalculates when adjusted. Thank you for watching. We hope you found the video useful. You can visit our website, www.brightergraphics.com, for more videos in the how-to series and all things Bluebeam Revu. We at Brighter Graphics welcome your feedback to help us to improve.